Currents is a platform that acts as a social listening tool so that you can actually get intelligence and information on what people are actually talking about online, which is extremely useful, of course. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. We've got quite a sleek landing page. I'm going to click Discover Now and we're going to dive right into this. Cool. So you can do customer feedback, market research, competitor analysis, content ideas, very useful, community engagement, and a product launch, which is quite that's quite robust. So let's go for content ideas. You can enter your product link or question examples. What do customers think of Nike Air Max 2024? This is an Amazon product, or user sentiment about Civilization 7. You can also select the sources as well. So far it's only Reddit and X, but soon there's going to be Instagram, they're saying. And you can check out the time frame on, let's say all time, 24 hours or 7 days. Cool. So we've got, as you can see here, you've got the deep search mode on as well. So let me go for content ideas. And I'm going to search for what are the most creative ways, or actually better still, what are the most common roadblocks creatives such as designers, writers, and musicians face when using generative AI? I'm going to use Reddit and X as the sources. I'm going to go for last 24 hours. I want to get content ideas. I'm going to leave deep search on, and let's see what we get. Okay, cool. So as you can see, if you want more info about the search, of course, you can always add to professional analysis they've got here. You can get a 3-day free trial. And as you can see, they've just given me a short sort of paragraph. So we picked the top 71 discussions for you, saving you time whilst keeping you in the loop. Okay. So saying they face several roadblocks such as prompt crafting challenges. Okay, that's quite useful. So for example, I can make more content about how to craft a prompt. Ethical concerns over data use, fears of job replacement. That's I guess reasonable. Quality limitations. Okay, and debates on authenticity and artistic value. Posts reveal mixed sentiments about AI's impact, with some embracing AI as a tool for inspiration and efficiency, and others focusing on moral, legal, and creative integrity issues. Cool. Discussions about prompt engineering, dynamic prompt management. Okay, that's quite useful and it's quite important. And AI collaboration offers inspiration for creating user-friendly, ethical, and flexible generative AI products that respect artists' contributions and enhance creative workflows. Okay, cool. This is quite interesting. Now, obviously, this hasn't been the full summary, but even just that has been quite useful for me. I can go and then, in fact, I can just copy and paste this and put this into my content creation prompt chain and just create content about that and start posting it. So it's still quite useful if you want to stay on the free plan. I think, this is quite a reasonable sort of a platform. If obviously social listening is a massive part of your professional or personal life, then definitely look into upgrading to a starter plan or any one of the other plans they've got. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.